Welcome to the instructions video for the Brewster Angle Interactive Calculator. This powerful tool helps you calculate the exact angle at which polarized light passes through a transparent surface with zero reflection, which is essential for optical system design and polarizer applications. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter two key values. First, input the refractive index of the incident medium, which is the material the light is coming from. For air, this is typically 1.0. Next, enter the refractive index of the transmission medium, which is the material the light is entering. For common glass, use a value like 1.52. Once you've entered both refractive indices, click the Calculate button. The calculator will display the Brewster angle in degrees, showing you the precise angle for zero reflection of p-polarized light. You'll also see the critical angle and reflection coefficients for both S and P polarizations at various angles. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.